Identity matrices, a la Shmoop. Jason Borneo can't remember anything important about his life. His name, his address, his iTunes password, nothing. All he has in his possession is a briefcase containing a matrix. And a banana, but he's saving that for later. To learn his identity, Jason must create an identity matrix that corresponds to the matrix in his briefcase and multiply them together. The original matrix is 2 rows by 3 columns with values 2, 9, 34, minus 90, 32, and 1. An identity matrix is a square matrix whose diagonal is composed of 1s. The remaining values of the matrix are zeros. In order to find the dimensions of the identity matrix that correspond to the original matrix, Jason just has to look at the number of columns of the original matrix. For his 2 by 3 matrix, the corresponding identity matrix would be 3 by 3. Now he can multiply the 2 using the standard procedure of matrices multiplication. 2 times 1 plus 9 times 0 plus 34 times 0 is 2. 2 times 0 plus 9 times 1 plus 34 times 0 is 9. 2 times 0 plus 9 times 0 plus 34 times 1 is 34, and so on with the second row. The end result when multiplying by any identity matrix is always the original matrix. We can think of an identity matrix as the matrix equivalent of 1. Upon completion of Jason's mission, a second smaller briefcase unlocks, containing all of his personal information. It turns out he's a stockbroker living in Pittsburgh. Kind of anticlimactic. Oh well.